Hello guys, this is Durgesh Bailoor with part 2 of After BDS What? The five paths which are slightly unconventional that the BDS doctors can follow are as follows. Number 1, clinical research associate. Number 2, dental cosmetologist. Number 3, medical transcription officer. So number 4 is pharmacovigilance officers, and number 5 is the dental products representatives. These are basically marketing officers for various dental products. To become a clinical research associate, it is necessary to take additional training. This training can be in form of online courses. It can be in form of a one-year postgraduate diploma in clinical research, or if you are fortunate enough, you may be hired by a company and the company itself will train you to become a research officer. The dental cosmetology is a emerging and evolving field. Many of the BDS doctors are now participating in this. There are three aspects of dental cosmetology which should be very clear to a beginner. First branch is called as dental aesthetics. Second branch is called as smile design. And the third branch, which combines the first and the second branch and coordinates with a beauty salon specialist to actually improve the overall beauty of the patient, or in this case, the beauty salon participant. The pharmacovigilance and drug safety are interrelated. A pharmacovigilance officer, typically what he does is he detects, assesses, and understands the side effects and allergies and idiosyncratic reactions of the new drugs that have been recently approved by the Federal Drug Administration. So pharmacovigilance is the next preventive level where large masses of patients are being observed independently and also by the company, so that we can be sure that this drug is following the pattern of more benefit and less risk. Of course, all drugs have risks and all drugs have benefits. The ratio of risk to benefit has to match, and pharmacovigilance by BDS doctors requires that they do at least 1 year to 3 years of training in pharmacovigilance field. They must take certificates, they must take postgraduate degrees, and then get into this career. It's a wonderful career, and you can even do doctoral work later on and become a master in your field. A dental graduate who has good English listening skills and who is fairly competent in touch typing are the suitable candidates for medical transcription services. What exactly is this medical transcription? Many of the Western doctors, when they are operating, when they are seeing a patient, they tend to make their notes in tape recorders or cassettes or digital recorders. And they expect that these notes will be transcribed into digital format and paper format by the hospital. What this hospital does is it offloads this work to another service called as transcription service. In transcription services, there are boys and girls sitting with listening headphones and typing out the instructions of the physicians and converting the physician's instructions into notes. With the emergence of electronic medical record (EMR), the transcription services have become even more important. But in the coming years, it's possible that the computer will have a software which directly prints out the oral commands of the oral notes of the physician. But luckily, our human pronunciations, our human diction is so varied that there are a lot of mistakes when different people with different accents use software. If you are a dental graduate, if you are a BDS who likes to travel a lot, meet a lot of people, and would like to make a lot of money depending on how effectively you can sell the products, then this dental representative or dental marketing is one of the very lucrative fields, and practically you need very minimal training, which most of the times the company will provide you. You do not have to spend time on going to college for a 1 year or a 2 year course or take a certificate. uh, and it's very easy to enter this field, but you have to show results. Once you work for a company and you are selling something like a dental cement, or you are selling something like fluoride varnish, or you are selling a dental chair, then the company will ask you at end of the year, how many products did you sell? What was the total amount of profit that you made for the company? So things are pretty black and white. If you are good, you will get paid very well. If you are not able to handle that work, you will be kicked out at end of the year. So becoming a dental products representative or a dental products executive would sound very shiny and very attractive, but it's very high pressure job. But if you can do it, it's wonderful. I've known many of my BDS students who have joined different companies from India and abroad, sold their products, and many of them went on to do MBA in marketing. And they are doing very well. Now they have their own departments and they have more BDS doctors working under them, and they have become big bosses. So this is a wonderful field, and I would strongly recommend somebody who is in need of a job and really and is a go-getter, go for this marketing, dental marketer. And I would say optimistically that later on you can even open up your own showroom and do your own thing. And instead of working for a company, you can become a boss of your showroom of dental products and you can do very well. Thus, we have discussed today 5 new areas. To summarize, there are 5 paths that we discussed today, and the first path was CRA, Clinical Research Associate. Second path was Dental Cosmetologist. Third, Medical Transcription Service Officer. Fourth was Pharmacovigilance Officer. Fifth was the Dental Product Manager or Dental Marketer, I would say. I would just like to say that the first 4 require that you take additional training. But the fifth one, you can directly go with just your basic English knowledge, your networking skills, and your go-getter skills and become a good dental marketeer. The first 4 will give you a steady income, a good office environment, and satisfying life. Slow growth, but the fifth one will give you very fast growth. You may be earning more than your other colleagues and some of your MDS colleagues if you do really well in dental products marketing. But it is a high pressure job. It's not for everybody. If you have a personality where you can stand a lot of pressure, then do it. With this, we come to the end of the second part of what to do after BDS. So, bye for now, and we will meet you in the third part of what to do after BDS. There are a few other rare areas which BDS doctors can work in. Bye bye for now and take care.